Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I want to tell you about V-3 super bomb. And we begin. In June 1940, Nazi Germany swiftly overran France in just 6 weeks. Hitler, expecting Britain to capitulate soon after, faced stubborn resistance. He then ordered the development of Vergeltungswaffen, weapons, to force Britain into submission. Today, I will examine one of the most audacious, the V-3 Supergun, designed to bombard London from northern France. But before we dive in, smash the like button, subscribe for more World 2 deep dives, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. The V-1 flying bomb and V-2 rocket had terrorized London in 1944. Nazi engineers sought another weapon. In early 1942, August hundreds of rolling steel forks in Saarland studied a French concept for multi-charge artillery. By April-May 1943, small-scale tests in Mezozdroje, its northern Poland, demonstrated feasibility, leading to Hitler's approval and funding under Minister Spitz oversight. But why V-3 concept was so interesting for Nazis in order to bombarding London? The core idea behind the V-3 was to deliver massive strikes on London without risking violence, and in order to was more cheaply and massive. After heavy Luftwaffe losses in the Battle of Britain, air raids became too costly and dangerous. Germany needed a way to attack from a distance without aircraft. The technological concept was bold: a multi-chamber gun of extraordinary length, about 130 meters, using sequential ignition of additional propellant charges along the barrel to accelerate the shell. This design theoretically allowed London to be shelled from position in northern France. Why Nazis chose this solution? In order to reduce pilot losses after failed air campaign, physiological impact similar to V-1 and V-2 terror weapons, no effective air defense against artillery shell. Now I want to tell a little bit about technical details of V-3. Code name of this artillery was Hochdruck Pumpe, used as smooth bore barrel 130 meter long, segmented by lateral booster chambers every 3.65 meters, each fired as the shell passed, accelerating it further, reaching muzzle velocities up to 1,500 meters per second. Shells weighed about 140 kilograms with a caliber of 150 millimeters. Its intended reach 165 kilometers. The plan called of 25 guns aimed to London, firing one shell every 6 seconds, a total of 3,000 rounds daily. Construction began in June-September 1943 in Mimoyec, northern France, near Calais. The hill of Hulk, nearly 110 meters deep, was ideal. The facility featured 2 parallel galleries with 5 inclined shafts each, buried and protected by 5 meters of concrete. Over 150,000 cubic meters of concrete was poured and forced labor tunneled through. French resistance leaked intelligence in September 1943. But Allied reconnaissance spotted Mimoyek in late 1943. Under Operation Crossbow, RAF and USFIF shifted resources. The decisive blow came on July 6, 1944, when 12 Lancasters dropped massive 12-ton tall boy bombs. One fell down a launch shaft, collapsing galleries and causing massive flooding. The Germans abandoned Mimoyek in August 1944. Canadian forces captured it on September 5, 1944. Through London was never fired upon. Two smaller 45 meters V-3 guns were installed in Luxembourg and Antwerp in December 1944. They fired a few dozens 140-kilogram shells through February 1945, with negligible damage of strategic impact. The V-3 was Hitler's boldest London gun. It showcased cutting-edge engineering, but collapsed under technical flaws, light bombing, and shifting battle dynamics. Its legacy: it was a momentum to Nazis' desperation and the limits of terror weapons. The ruins at Mimoyek today remind us how close history came to a new kind of warfare and how resilience and intelligence prevailed. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and like.